Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video coming up on Umkoka on Monday, the bitter truth. Kapsile finally frees herself from all the secrets she has been harboring. The Mtembus are shocked by the results of the autopsy, and Mazungu shares a piece of information with Mapalala that leaves him taken aback. On Tuesday, lies have short legs. Kapsile confesses about what Mamzobe made her do. Lwazi stands up for Gabi. Mamzobe is ready to make a run for it to avoid punishment. On Wednesday, Kongo kufihliwe kuyovela ubala. The Mtembu family faces a shocking revelation that will change their lives forever. Kapsile's world crumbles as her darkest secret is exposed, and in the shadows, the prophets foresee a catastrophic destiny unfolding. On Thursday, nothing but the truth. Demtembu's world is turned upside down while Mamzob and Kapsile battle with their past and husband. Thus, the unthinkable. On Friday, let the dead Mzobe lie. Mtembu appears to Mabusi with a warning regarding the search of Mzobe's body. Kapsile, weighed down by guilt, questioned her place in the family, while fiery confrontation between Mazungu and Mamzobe erupts. Thank you guys for watching.